Okay, let's look at Euro GBP. This pair was uh, one of the pair we analyzed yesterday, and you can see the market actually played that to the downside as one of the possibilities that we expected from the market. So this was a good place for entry. I believe that we took this trade. I believe that we took this trade. I'm going to hold my position because this market has the potential of going to the downside. And why do I say that? Let's go to the 4 hours time frame. You see that this market have been trapped at this level. The market have been consolidating. Like the first time, the market, second time, third time, the fourth time, and the market, do some level of fake out, and this is when the market is actually breaking out. So now this market have been trapped around this level for quite a long time, and this is the first time it's breaking out from this level. And I tell you the truth, at every retracement, look for selling opportunity. At every retracement, look for selling opportunity. Now I'll be holding my position. I'll be holding my position. Okay. But once the market gives some level of retracement, so what we should be looking at for in today's trade, that is June 2nd, when the market open, we should be looking at for retracement so that we can take a set trade. So for this pair, just watch out for retracement. Any level of retracement, look for selling opportunity. Any level of retracement, look for selling opportunity. That is what I'll be doing with this pair throughout this week. Any level of retracement, I look for selling opportunity. What do I mean? At this level, at this level, at this level. So when the market retraces on a downtrend, it forms lower high. Now, immediately you see a lower high, just trap the price between support and resistance and wait for the market to break out from that level using the smaller time frame. Then you can take a trade. So this pair have the potential of selling all through the remaining days in this week. Okay, this pair have the potential of selling all through the remaining days of this week. So I'm going to hold on to my sell position for this trade. I'm going to hold on to my sell position, and I trust that you'll be trading this with me. Like I said, at every retracement, trap the price, wait for a break of structure in the 4 hours time frame, then you can enter a trade to the downside. Now let's look at it from a smaller time frame so that you can understand what I'm saying. When I said trap the price, wait for a break of structure, and now let's look at 15 minutes time frame. Now this is a level of retracement. What I mean, you trap the price and wait for the market to break out of it. Okay, okay. So that's what I'll be doing with this pair all through the remaining days in this week. Okay. As the markets break out from this level, I will look for a selling opportunity, break, retest this level, then I'll look for a trade to the downside. Now, this market might decide to do some level of retracement to the upside. The market can decide to break out from this level, retest this level, and go to the upside. No matter what the market does, even if the market do this, I will still come around this area and look for a selling opportunity. I don't have business with buying this pair for the next few days. I will only be looking for selling opportunity because of the price action I'm seeing, because of the price movement, because of the break of the structure, and because of the selling momentum I'm seeing. So I will stick to selling this pair for the remaining days of this week, maybe even early next week. But if the analysis change, if the trend change, if the price action change, then I will also update the change. But for now, what I'm seeing is a bearish market, a strong bearish market. Okay, so let's see what the market does as it opens in the next few minutes. Okay, so see you in the next pair. Do well to subscribe to this channel and do your best to share, like and click the notification bell so that you don't miss out from any analysis. And note, this video is mainly for educational purpose. All right, bye. See you in the next pair.